One little cake sale, oh my God. Not even 10 people in it. Hmm? Not even 10 people and look on the amount of followers that she have. Oh God, on a wicked man. Wickedness, man. Wickedness, man. Millions of followers and one little cake sale. I tell me, say, 10 somebody couldn't buy 10 cake.
I'm living. Come on, I'm see long time, I say me not address it. But because tonight me in the mood, me I go address it. It's a crosses. You me know you cause it, because me see it all over internet. For me, want to let the man, and you cause it. For sure, I say it's a crosses. Crosses, brother. You fi stop, man. It's a crosses for true, man. How me look on the video, me see man going to hospital, grieve me bone them. Come here and say, cross is Ivany, cause this funny man. What kind of cross is this, man? Me so upset, man. Me watch YouTube for one night, for look. And me I said, Jesus Christ, come on, me can't believe this happened to him, man. Come on, man. And as much as all you go, I me never come talk to me hate you, brother. Come, this a art here, enough with drunk and bad energy. So me not carry up people in there with a love or hate. No. You understand me? Me that never come and me hate a girl and me this. No, because I'm not about that. You understand? I'm not about that. Me just say the remedy what she post, it's not mine. I see my family, I comment and I can know say she tell a lie. Because me I say I cut soap and all them some of the people that send me. Come on. Sorry, my language. Come on, that's not me. That's not me. So you feel lower certain things, man. Go and do things with your life that will make you better. Stop hating on ladies that are successful and are doing good. Let them motivate you so that you can be better than you are. Your reputation is so bad. If I type you on YouTube, I see everything bad. You should stop. Stop, man. I'm in a company life with class or whatever, because that's not me. If you don't know me from a long time, my name was never out. After me, Akim became personal, and just because he had a personal girlfriend, I don't know, that's why I want to make it come out with me. But after that, my name never come out until me don't know, oh, me get entangled with Ivany, and then she just bring drama to my name. Like, what the hell? Come on, man. So you must stop, man. Stop. Leave people alone. Stop. Just leave people alone. Do your thing. Leave people alone. You understand? Leave people alone. And the people who are down for you, for class people, and do them something, you don't have to tell her, leave people alone. If you're not really into her, leave people alone. You understand me? Leave people alone. That's why people always have the worst to say about you. Because you just come like an evil spirit from hell. Everything where you put your entangle, everything where you entangle in, it just become one big crosses. Come on, man. Nobody not tell the truth. Me I tell the truth, brother. Me not look no friend from you. Me I tell the truth. But that's true. Me should have never diva could have for you come from prison after what you do about the family thing or whatever. Yes, me used to go back to me. Yes, the world did know that. But don't come and talk when never go so. And you do that, I mean, no meds you. And you up my page, I know you're threatening to say, you're going to post it in there. Post it. I don't care. You understand me? I don't care. Because it's not going to hurt me. It's just going to make you in a more bagger because I don't care. So just do you and love for my name and the remedy of mine. And yes, me and my family have an issue for sort out for this whole drama. Kind of the first place, no matter if me and I never talk, she should have never in a communication with a viper drunk like you. You understand me? Hi, Shari Parry. Big up yourself, babes. But yeah. Yeah, me lose out for my family for do that. But still now I just my family upon the live. Me not do them something there. Them something like stay in our family. Stay over phone, stay in our family. A true, Carice, a true. But me just there to bring up the fact, say, you know what she caused it? She caused it was something for him get beat, man. Me vex over it so till now. Me never even post and address it to that because I say me I just love it. Love it. But me I say the man name reach all over the place like a one crosses girl. So just that me came for say. But you say she never dare disrespect me on the live. Yeah, people send me a screen record. Shit up, but it was and this and that. So why would I come and request to join her live if nobody never send me? Come on, me not stupid.
She can't rank
Me not stupid.
That's all if you support
say.
Support it and give her the name what she have right. She would have
All
the
me
right.
see them a do attack Vani name. But me cannot
she cannot rank for you no.
Me cannot see Vani a
support her
comment.
and nothing good what she do. But all the bad. Wow.
I can't see what she comment. Anyways, so
one little cake sale, and my God, not even 10 people in it. Hmm? Not even 10 people and look on the amount of followers that she have. Oh God, on a wicked man. Wickedness, man. Wickedness, man. Millions of followers and one little cake sale. I tell me, say, 10 somebody couldn't buy 10 cake. Wickedness, man. Wickedness. And if I be like she, me take myself off of Instagram.
no, she said she's an Instagram queen. I'm not jealous of her about her Instagram thing. Me not care. She can be an Instagram queen. She just have to change. She have to change and do something with her life. Don't go around perplexing people. Or you live your life knowing say you maybe can't go out there so because you have so many enemies. Come on, girl, get over yourself
at nights. Oh, you sleep.
and do something with your life.
Shut up.
So anyways, the remedy is not mine. Yes, because the text are me and her friend basically sell me out. But the remedy is not mine. You understand? Guys, my mother just, you know, she got talk. She don't mean nothing, but she got talk because I'm my mother and she got defend me. Me the only one. If she hurt me head, she hurt my mother head. She me get on my page and I never there mess her. I never see her and do her nothing. I said she come live and say I see her and I don't even act like I see her because that's me. Because she didn't see me and push it. Me not gonna push it. If I didn't know the on my level, she me get on my page and me move on with my life. You understand? Me don't need to what me ought to see her. Oh, you not tell people if you don't know. Me not do them something there. Me not do them something there. So she have to do what she have to do. And me do what me have to do. When I go your live, no call me name. Just do you. Pretend. Alright, you hate me. So not call the girl who you hate for your life then. Just stay upon your level. Somebody just say, I couldn't know, say, well, Ivany post and do whatever. If you done to my own family, I tell her, I say, that's not the remedy. Because when I look on them, something, I say, shit, that's not my remedy. So me, I think Ivany say my remedy. But whether she wants to sell it or she never wants to sell it, it don't matter me. She can do her. Me no bad mind, me no vex. If she sell cream, me no have no hard feelings. Nikki there sell cream and me come sell, me no hard feelings. But if you know say somebody in my family who used to sleep and live with me and a two sister pitney in a communication with her that give her that privilege over me to come and talk on Instagram about me and my thing. Negative vibe there, so that's why I feel away. So I say me I come address it. I say I come address it, I'm black on the car. I come back on the love chat. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna finish. We have a dinner date with my family. People just are calling. Getting a lot of calls, but guys, just forget about this. I'm just come for credit here. Yes, sorry, she dead wrong. She wrong. But then Ivany, if you love my name off her. Oh, me stop talk about me. Forget about me. Forget about Akeem, forget about us, because we are doing better than you. Take it as a motivation. Go and look a man. Go and get him wife, yeah. Get him engaged, yeah. Get a business. Buy a house. Buy some vehicle. Live a happy life. Fly it when you want. Go hotel when you want. Oh my God. You're not sure forgot Dr. First. So that's the first stop to clean up. Alright, so that's the end of my live. I will never come back live. I just came to address my business. If someone wants to contact my business, I will.